Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I want to share with you a quick analysis on crash 500 that will potentially give us an opportunity to enter a trade and make some profitable um, make some profit. All right, so I'm on crash 500 and I'm on the weekly time frame. Most of the times I like going to the higher time frame as this to check the overall direction of the market and also mark out some key levels in the market as well. So as you can see on the weekly time frame, that the market has been bearish. The market has been bearish, and I would want to mark out some key levels. And mind you, I like marking out key levels that are close to the current price. Levels that are very close to the current price. You can see where I'm putting this line. You can see I decide to put my trend line here, sorry, this horizontal line, to mark a key level here because market has been reacting each time it gets to that level. It's a key resistance zone, not actually a key level. Like I refer to key level as a level where there has been a buying and selling activity from the zone or from that level, but this one is just selling. Market has been selling when each time it gets to this point. You can see the rejections here. It sold here, came back up, it sold, got back here, it sold, and there's a chance that it's going to sell, continue selling. We're not sure about that yet, so we have to still go down. So after marking out this key level here on the weekly time frame, I would want to go to the daily time frame to find out more key levels in the market tomorrow. You can see the key level we marked in the daily time frame. It is even more clearer in view here on the daily time frame than we saw it in the weekly time frame. So you can see the key level there, and we also have key levels at the top. Like here, there is a key level here, and there's another key level here, but we're not interested about these key levels because it's very far. It's very far from the current price. It will take the market months to take the market some months before it can get to the, or weeks, even months before it can get to the where the current price, where that place is. Meanwhile, this thing I just shifted. Let me try to go back to where I was. Need try to, okay. I think this MT5 is a little bit faulty somehow. The updated version is giving me issues. All right, so that is it. Then we have to mark out another key level. I can find another key level here in this market. This is another key level right here, guys. This is another key level. You can see the market. You see it bought. Let me get out the arrowed line. You see it bought from here, sold from here, sold again from here, then bought again from here. It came to this point again, bought again. You see, so this is a key level on the daily time frame. So we have to still go down to a 4-hourly time frame to mark out more key levels. That's what I do. On the 4-hourly time frame, let me try to zoom in or zoom out to see if I can capture another key level in the market. Okay guys, I can see another key level in the market. I can see a key level. Let me just duplicate this and put it here. Usually I like using different colors to mark out different levels based on different time frames usually. So let me use this one for the blue color for this particular 4-hourly time frame key level. Now, why is this a key level? Why did I mark out that zone as a key level? You see, market sold from here, bought from here. You can see market bought from here, bought again, came here, sold, and sold from here again. Then the market came back here again. You can see, if I zoom in, you will see the market after breaking through this came back, tested here, then came down, then broke through it, guys. So you can see that is a key level, guys. You can see that is actually a key level there on the 4-hourly time frame. And you can also, as you're marking out your key levels, you also take note of the of the direction of the market on the higher time frames. You can see basically that on the daily time frame, the market is giving us something that is giving us a sense of direction. Like from what I can see here on the daily time frame, let me take this out. From what we are seeing here on the daily time frame, guys, I am seeing a kind of a head and shoulders pattern right here, telling us the signifying signaling that the market might be reversing. Look at this, looks like a left shoulder, this looks like a head, and this looks like it's trying to form the right shoulder. So the market might have to move from here to this level here, come back again, retest this level, then it will go up. Keep it will just buy. You see, so this looks like a head and shoulders pattern that we're having right there, that we're going to have right here. And you know, a head and shoulders pattern is a strong reversal pattern, chart pattern in the market, chart pattern. So in that case, there's a chance that if the market moves up to this level, it can reverse to this level, then buy to maybe to target this particular key level here. Let me duplicate this to target this key level here. But it will first of all target this strong resistance zone. This is a strong resistance zone here. Then if it breaks through this strong resistance zone, it will be targeting this particular strong support zone here. This is a strong support zone here, guys. All right, or strong resistance. This is going to be, this was previously a strong support zone, but it was broken and is yet to be retested, you know, to become a resistance zone. So it might be targeting this zone to make it this zone to make it a resistance zone, since it is yet to be retested after it broke out, guys. So if we go down to, let's go down to the 4 hourly time frame. Okay, we marked out the key level on the 4 hourly time frame, and you can see those places. You can see how market reacted to the level where we just marked with the blue line, which is a 4 hourly time frame key level. And as you're marking out, do not lose sight of the direction of the market, and if there's a possibility of joining trend lines, because from what I'm seeing here, there's a chance that we can just decide to put the trend line something like this in the market. There's a chance. Let me just see if it works out, then I will place it. If it doesn't, I'll leave it. You can see there is a chance that this can be our trend line here. There can be a trend line here, and you can see as the market has been dancing around this trend line. So there's a chance that it wants to buy. Market is actually in a buy, in an uptrend on this time frame. You can see the higher highs and the higher lows. You can see the higher highs. This is a high, this is a low, this is a higher high here, this is a higher, and this is a higher low. So the market might be trying to move to create a higher high to continue in its downtrend or in its uptrend, guys. So on the, let's go to the 1 hourly time frame. All right, so on the 1 hourly time frame, we can see that there is because basically I like concentrating on the current structure, and that's what you are supposed to take note of, to concentrate on the current structure in the market. And mind you, on the higher time frame, we are expecting the market to be bullish based on the fact that we are expecting it to create a kind of a double head and shoulders pattern. It's trying to form a second shoulder of the market, so it wants to get targeting this particular level here. We're expecting the market to come to this level, then sell back nicely, then it will then buy to the upside. That's what I'm expecting. But for here now, what we are seeing, we can see that the market was giving a kind of on the 1 hour time frame, we have this movement in the market. And this movement that I'm trying to mark out with this trend line. And if you've watched my videos recently, you can see that after marking out this kind of structures in the market, the next thing we do, oh moment guys, I'm trying to put this thing properly. Okay, after marking out this structure in the market, we can see that this is a kind of a descending wedge, and the wedge patterns mostly indicate a possible reversals in the market. So now you can see the market broke out, and from my strategy, I want to see a breakout here. Like this breakout happened, then the market has to come back to retest a strong level in the market. And like I mentioned previously, the market might not reverse or react immediately it gets to that particular level, because normally I would want to expect the market to come back to this level after breaking and retracing. I would want the market to come back to this particular level here where there was a previous buy activity. Then I want to see a buy there, but you see market got to this level, it did not buy immediately. It still went down, came down to here this point before it went back up. So as you can see, it has created a trend. At this point there is a trend, another trend here, this bullish trend that we saw on the daily, on the 4 hourly time frame. You can see this bullish trend right here. You can see the market bouncing off this trend line. Each time it gets to this trend line, it bounces off it. So we can, let me just change this color of the trend line so that I can depict it clearly. Let me use a black color, then you can put another one on top. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, we have something like this. So we have something like this, guys. All right, so now, and as you can see, this particular level where the market has been reversing, this particular level here where the market has been reversing, which is, you can see there is a reversal at this point. You see this, the market got to this same level here and it reversed. So this is a strong level. There was a buy activity here, there was a sell activity. So this is a key level on the 1 hourly time frame. We should mark this out, guys. It's very important to take note of this level too in the market. Then we change this color to maybe black, change it to maybe black. That's a key level. So the market went to this level and then reversed. You can see it came back to this particular level here, which is the 4 hourly time frame key level here, which is the blue line, and then it is trying to go back up again on the 1 hourly time frame, guys. So we expect the market to be bullish. So on the 1 hourly time frame, you can see the movement of the market is in a bullish trend. It has created a high. It has created a high here, a low, higher high, lower high, a higher low. This is a higher high, some higher high here. Although I've already put this horizontal line here, I can't see if this high here actually cleared this previous high. But what we expect is to see a movement that will break through this particular high, before coming down to retest maybe this trend line again, or this particular blue level, this 4 hourly time frame blue level, blue line. Yes, that's a 4 hourly time frame key level, guys. So on the, that's on the 1 hourly time frame. If we go to the 15 minutes time frame, we will have more clarity on this structure of the market as it is now. So you can see the movement, guys. You can see the movement, guys. You can see. So it is very easy to predict the movement of the market if you are able to mark out zones where these things are happening. It is very easy to mark out the zones to determine the direction of the market if you are able to mark out the zones. So you can see what happened here. You can see what happened here. I predicted this movement yesterday night. The market was somewhere around here. I posted it in my Telegram channel, the free channel. I'll put the link in the description of this video. The market was somewhere here, and I posted a setup that the market would get to this level, then sell back down, then go up. So the market actually played out. Before I even woke up in the morning, I noticed the market already got into this level self. So I did not even enter the trade. So I had to. So I did not take the trade because I slept off. I slept off before I woke up. It already played out. Um, it played out this. You see, it bought onto this place, then reversed to the downside, so to the downside. So even this particular movement here, I predicted this one too, but I did not post it in the group. So I set my, when I saw it, the market was around this particular level, so I set my stop loss around here, then entered the trade, and my take profit level was around this here, around this point, and it gave me about $100 with a lot size of 5.0, about 100 and over $100. I just closed when I came back from church actually. So I noticed it had played out and given me that massive profit before I came back from church. You see, so guys, this thing is very simple. At least why I was actually taking this buy trade was, first of all, I have noticed that the major direction of the market would be to buy. Besides, the market wants to reverse to the upside, and it's giving us it's trying to form the right shoulder, inverted and shoulders pattern. It's trying to form the right shoulder, coupled with this particular channel pattern we are seeing here. You can see is a bullish pattern here. So mostly buying opportunities is what we should be looking for. All right, buying opportunities, what we should be looking for. Then now, what are we expecting next? What I expect is to see a breakout of this channel. I want to see a breakout. If the market breaks out of this channel, if the market breaks out of this channel, guys, let me show you what I want to say. The market breaks out of this channel, goes up and retest this particular zone here. The market breaks out, comes back to retest this zone. We are going to see a massive bias to the upside. We are going to see a massive bias, and if fortunately for me, I'll be on the chart to see market breaking out and retesting this zone. Then I will enter a trade, and my target would be here. My target will be here. Let me use a rectangle to mark that out. My target will be this particular point in the market. This will be my target. And imagine you entering a trade at this level, maybe from, let me get this stuff. Let me set my, let me just set, one moment, guys. Let me just set my sell limit at this point. Let's say I will be entering the trade at this point. Then, oh God, hold on, let me just put it this way. Don't know why I'm not able to do this. One moment, please. Okay, guys, I noticed my data was turned off. My data was turned off. All right, now that I've turned off my data, I've noticed something, guys. Let me just do what I was trying to show you guys. I was saying if market breaks through this particular level and comes back to retest, let's say from here, if I would enter a trade, I want to enter a trade with a lot size of maybe 2.5, like I used to do. 2.5, a lot size of 2.5. Then my take profit level will be around this point. That's about $95, guys. Imagine I do that for two positions of 2.5, so it will give me about $190 in profit, you see. So, but from what I'm saying here, you can see that the market actually reversed. Sorry, market broke out of this trend line. Market has broken out of this trend line, and we expect. So you can see the market has broken out of the channel. The market has broken out of this channel. So what I'll be expecting is a retest. I will be expecting the market to go back to retest this blue line here, and this blue line is a 4-hourly time frame key level. If I expect the market to come back to this level, if it comes back to this level and gives us a confirmation it's going to sell, then it will be nice to enter a sell trade at that time to catch some spikes. You can catch the spikes down to this level. Let me use duplicate this line down to somewhere here, catch some spikes down to somewhere here, guys. So that's just how the market is. I was looking at the upside, but the market played down. So based on the fact that I will always want to see confirmation before entering the market, that's what will always guide me that I will not enter a wrong trade so easily. Like now, when we were explaining the market, I was explaining previously, you can see that the market was here, somewhere here. Though I paused the video for a while, then I was doing something else before I came back to continue it. Now coming back, you can see the broke out, because while here I was expecting the market to either continue going up to break out this to break out of this resistance zone, then retest. But see, the market already broken below here, so we expect a retest and sells to the downside before it will go back up again. So guys, that is just it. If you can just follow this particular setup we have discovered, if you can just follow it, just wait for a retest if you are going to see this video on time, or you wait for it to break out of that resistive level at the top where I put this stop loss, this limit. You can just go ahead and monitor it, analyze your chart just like this. You can also analyze this crash 500, try to duplicate what I have done, then you monitor your chart and see how it plays out. With this, if you can practice this regularly, guys, there's a chance that you'll be profitable in the long run. You'll be profitable. Just keep on practicing these things. Practice them. You will make some good money regularly, guys. You make some good money. It's not that you will not be encountering some losses. You will encounter losses, but your winnings, your profits will always be far more greater than your losses, guys. You see. So that is just it. I believe you've learned one or two things from this particular trading setup. Always look out for the movement, the direction of the market on the higher time frame, and watch out for the chart patterns that are formed on the higher time frames. They also matter too. Then also, if you are here to join our free Telegram channel, where most times I post some tips that will help you in your trading career, then the link will be in the description of this video. That is where I also update us with information regarding our free trainings, because I might be holding another free training, guys, and I believe you will achieve a lot of value from the free training. So don't waste your time. Just go down to the description of this video and click through the link there to join the Telegram. And don't fail to like this video, share. You can share this video, and also subscribe if you've not done that yet. Comment, comment, and tell me what you want and what you think. Knowledge is shared. Nobody knows everything. You can share. Then we'll see how to help ourselves, guys. Everybody must make money this year, guys. All right. So till my next video. See you guys. Peace out.